At 4:10 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Dunn, or 9 miles east of Lillington, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail.
Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations and hazards include Thunderstorm, Dunn, Benson, Michael, Selma, Irwin, Coast, Four Oaks, Level, and Richardson. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5 p.m. for the following counties in North Carolina, Harnett and Johnston.
Northeastern Harnett County, southeastern Wake County, northwestern Johnston County until 5 p.m. At 4:12 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Cooper Arena, or 11 miles north of Lillington, moving northeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Raleigh, Garner, Fuquay, Arena, Clayton, Angier, Mayfield, Phillips Crossroads, Flowers, Lake Basin, and Lake Winter. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5 p.m. for the following counties in North Carolina, Harnett, Johnston, and Wake. The National Weather Service in Blacksburg has issued a storm warning for southeastern Charlotte County, southeastern Halifax County until 5:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Dry Bird, or 8 miles south of Clover, moving northeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include South Boston, Red Oak, Scottsburg, Stanton River State Park, Dry Bird, Williamsburg, and John H. Kerr Reservoir. The National Weather Service in Blacksburg has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Campbell County, southeastern Bedford County until 5:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:52 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Evington, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Alta Vista, Evington, Rustburg, Forest, Hodges, Glades, and Timberlake. This includes the following location: Lynchburg Airport. National Weather Service in Wakefield has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Mecklenburg County, west central Lunenburg County until 5:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:55 or near Redock, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. The severe thunderstorm will be near Chase City around 5:20 p.m. Kells Corner around 5:30 p.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Fairview, Plantersville, Rogers Corner, Spanish Grove, Fort Mitchell, Finneywood, Skipwith, and John H. Kerr Reservoir. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report severe weather by calling 757-899-2415, posting to the National Weather Service Wakefield Facebook page, or using Twitter @Wakefield. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:30 p.m. for the following counties: in Virginia, Lunenburg, and Mecklenburg. The National Weather Service in Wakefield has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for north central Mecklenburg County, southwestern Lunenburg County, until 6 p.m. At 5:20 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Key City, moving northeast at The National Weather Service in Wakefield has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for north central Mecklenburg County, southwestern Lunenburg County, until 6 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:20 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Key City, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles. Wilburn, Lovesville, Fort Mitchell, Cindywood, and Whiteman. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. Please report severe weather by calling 757-899-2415, posting to the National Weather Service Wakefield Facebook page, or using Twitter at Wakefield. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6 p.m. for the following counties: in Virginia, Lunenburg, and Mecklenburg. This is the National Weather Service office in Blacksburg, Virginia. The preceding signal was a test of the NOAA weather radio station KJY-86 public warning system. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers can automatically be activated by these signals to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of the signals in the receiver's performance are normally conducted by the National Weather Service around noon each Wednesday, except for the first Wednesday of the month when it is conducted around 7 p.m. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test will be postponed to the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarms, will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working order. To provide the most consistent and dependable warning service possible, the warning alarm will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings for the following counties in the Blacksburg County warning area: in Virginia, Campbell, Charlotte, Halifax, and Pittsylvania. Also included is the independent city of Danville. In North Carolina, the following county is included: Caswell. In addition, we also broadcast short-fused products from Mecklenburg County in Virginia and Granville and Person counties in North Carolina. This has been a test of the NOAA weather radio warning device. We now return to normal programming. This is NOAA weather radio.